Welcome for Football and Pidgin. After match, talk am how you see am. Manchester United 1 and West Ham United 0. And we get Oga Teji wey be like say Oga Tejiri or Oga TJ wey be like say na ogbonge football fan, ogbonge Manchester United fan. May he tell us about how he see Manchester United performance. That's the performance, you sweet your belly, normally your belly be like say na sugarcane factory right now. You dey rub am well, but how you as a Man U fan see that performance from Manchester United?
It was a good performance. I enjoyed their football. It was a very, very long time we saw.
Talk about Pidgin.
Very, very long time we see this kind of football
Not be
for
lie,
Man
not be
U.
lie.
Today football, I really coach. The coach try. The coach try. And a good coach. But today performance, the game. I never see this kind of performance today as I see ever since when they play football. He saved. He's the man of the match. In fact, the goalkeeper try. The audio player try. From Ronaldo, from the midfield, from the defense to the attack. From Maguire. Aila today try. I enjoyed it. Aila try.
But normally, Man U fans they blast Maguire normally and say no they try. But today match you hate
Today match, what I see today match.
shock you.
In fact,
Shock you like
you
electric.
don't like person people say they buy call today. Make up play football.
signing.
I enjoyed the guy
Na
football.
new Maguire you see.
Not be in fact, not be woman Maguire again. I'm man Maguire.
Man Maguire.
Yes.
So-
If they play what they pay am for.
Not be
I enjoy my football too. I enjoy the coach. The coach tactics. I enjoy the tactics.
Yeah.
The guy
So-
play good tactics for my youth.
Okay, so TJ now, I want to ask you now. You talk about David De Gea now. You get one story wey come out before this weekend. Say David De Gea, I think now around on Friday night the story come out. Say David De Gea, in fit not there for Spain 55-man provisional list to go the World Cup. And you talk today say him na him be your man of the match. You like what he keep for that match. But what you get to talk for inside that kind of story? Say for that kind of performance where DJ they perform, Spain coach no one carry and go World Cup. How you see that kind of matter?
For me, I for test payment they give am like one more chance for this World Cup because the guy performance, the defense they open the defense for him to perform the performance. The guy performance is not too bad ever since, but this new coach tactics make it best they come outside. Now, like last season, he conceive goals, but this season, he way of keeping not make goals they enter net. So the guy performance to me, I for say make Spain give him the last chance, make him perform for the World Cup, make them see a good doings as a goalkeeper. So now what I will talk about that DK issue.
So now I got TJ now. You as a Man U fan, with what you dey see for Manchester United so far this season, where you fit predict say Manchester United go finish with what you dey see? Because Man U not start the season well, but be like say Man U don't pick up. You understand that they deliver the ogbonge result for some kind of game where people they expect say maybe Man U go there, they go drop points. But what do you they expect as a Man U fan by the end of the season?
I dey expect them to dey for second.
Second, top two.
Yes, top 2 this season. I dey expect them to dey for top 2. Maybe next season we'll challenge for the trophy. But for this season, I dey expect them to dey for top 2. But for the other competition, I dey see them to carry on.
Okay, may I ask you one popular question now? This is one big debate where they happen inside the football lifestyle. People they argue Haaland and Mbappe. Haaland and Mbappe, who you go pick?
To me, I go pick Mbappe.
Why you go pick Mbappe?
Mbappe get everything, complete things as a footballer. Ireland just dey get the chances where he's supposed to get now for Premier League. Because to me, for Premier League, once you get a chance in season, the other season, your name don't go. But for Mbappe, anywhere he go perform. But for Ireland, I see and say, I prefer Mbappe than Ireland.
All right, now I got Tishi. Thank you for your time.